Alright, so today's product is the SUPCAM CC1006A. This is a 2K Quad HD camera. So it's a 3-in-1 webcam with the 2K Quad HD camera, noise reduction, microphone, and high-powered speakers. This also has plug-and-play connectivity, so I should literally be able to take this, plug it directly into my Windows computer, and boom, have 2K picture, have speakers, have a mic, have everything I should need. Nothing really around the box to give us much information. Power consumption's 5 watt max, and the cable length is 5 feet. That's probably about all you need to know. Let's slide it out of here. Looks like somebody else tried already, but it was not me. Okay, nice. Let's communicate more easily. So right on top, little instruction guide for you. You can look through that if you need, but if this is really plug and play like other webcams I've had, you'll literally plug it into your computer and your computer will do the rest. Oh, look at that, it's all one little piece. So very nice, peel that on off. What do we got, what's this? Oh, that's like a webcam cover, I see. So you can stick this over this to cover your webcam. See, and then you just fold that down when you want to use your webcam, and then push it back when you're done. But this is the 5-foot cable. Oh, look at that, very nice. It has the Type-C adapter. So if your computer or laptop does not have USB Type-C, you've got the adapter, plug right into here, plug this into your regular USB 3 or USB 2, USB-A port, and you should be up and running. So very nice little design. It does have the mount down here, so if you wanted to use this for streaming or something, shouldn't be a problem. 2K webcam, very nice looking. Do we have anything else? No, that's it for the box. So that will do it for the CC1006A SUPCAM webcam. Like I said, this is a 3-in-1, so it has your microphone array, it has your webcam, and also it has your speakers. So if you have a desktop at your house and you don't have anything to make a video conference call with, you literally buy this, you plug it into your computer, it should do the rest of it, and you should be able to make some 2K double of HD high quality webcam calls. You'll be able to hear them, they'll be able to hear you, and it should work very, very smooth. So that'll do it for this SUPCAM webcam unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.